Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you have understood part 1. Now we'll start with the part 2 of chapter 8, windstorms and cyclones. In part 1 we have studied about some properties of air, like air exerts pressure. We have studied about that high speed winds are accompanied by reduced air pressure. Now we'll study about the air expands on heating. This is one of the other property, one or main property of air. Secondly, we will discuss wind currents are generated due to uneven heating on earth. And the third one, how thunderstorms are formed or caused, you can say. Okay, what is thunderstorm? How are they caused? This we will discuss, and the precautions, what precautions we have to taken during thunderstorm. Okay, let's start with air expands on heating. You have already studied that air expands on heating. For that we will do one activity. That activity is that we'll take a glass tube, okay, or you can take a small bottle, tie a balloon over it on the mouth of the bottle or a tube. Okay, now keep this, now if you are saying looking here, the balloon is not, it doesn't contain air, it contains small amount of air. ठीक है, बॉइलिंग ट्यूब में जो एयर है वही थोड़ी सी बलून में जाएगी. नाउ व्हाट विल हैपन इफ आई पुट दिस ट्यूब इन द हॉट वाटर, प्योरली हॉट वाटर में अगर मैं डालती हूँ, द बैलून इन्फ्लेट, इट गेट्स इन्फ्लेटेड. व्हाई इट गेट्स इन्फ्लेटेड? बिकॉज द एयर प्रेजेंट इन दिस ट्यूब दैट विल राइजेज अप, दैट विल एक्सपैंड ड्यू टू हॉट, you can say due to hot water, or you can say when the water is warm. ठीक है, that boiling tube gets heated up and the air present in it, it gets inflated. Okay, it gets inflated, that means air expands on heating. Similarly, one more activity is given in your book, NCERT book. That activity is that we will take a rod and tie two paper cups, or you can say bags, paper bags, invertedly, उल्टे हम उनको ऐसे टांग देंगे with a stick. Okay, and what will happen if I take a candle over one of the paper bag, एक paper bag के नीचे I'll blow the candle. What will happen? That paper bag which has a candle that will go upward. Why it goes upward? Because this shows that warm air rises up. वार्म एयर राइजेज अप. एक तरफ ठंडी एयर थी और एक तरफ आपकी एयर कप के नीचे, और यू कैन से पेपर बैग के नीचे जो एयर थी, दैट विल बिकम वार्म, और वो वार्म हो, जैसे ही वो वार्म हुई, दैट विल राइजेज अप. यू हैव सीन अदर एग्जांपल्स आल्सो, लाइक यू कैन से एसीज, एयर कंडीशनर्स, दे आर फिटेड ऑन द, you can say on the walls, upper side of the walls. And room heaters, we will place them on the floor. Always they like this. Why it is so? Because the air in the room, what will happen to that? The air in the room, if the room heaters are on the this portion, floor पे रखते हैं अगर हम, then what will happen? The air in the room that gets heated up, तो वो नीचे heated होगी, and that will expand to the whole room because hot air rises up. Similarly, if we'll talk about ACs, air conditioners, air conditioners यानी cool air, what will happen to cool air? Warm air rises up, that will make the ACs will make them cool, and that cool air will come back. ठीक है, get down, that will get down to the floor, and this cycle will move on like this. That cold air becomes cool again, and it again the warm air goes up. ठीक है, so in this way the room will become cool. Is it okay? Or in this way, when the heaters are put, will keep the heaters on the floor, the room heaters will get, what will they will get, rooms will get hot. Okay, now next is yours movement of air. Because of, we have a movement of air around, because of, or you can say wind currents are generated due to uneven heating of earth. जो हमारी अर्थ पे विंड करंट्स होते हैं, दे आर जनरेटेड ड्यू टू अनइवन हीटिंग. That means two types of uneven heating we will consider here. One is in the equatorial regions, and one we will consider in the land and water. Now about equatorial region, if we will talk about the movement of air in equatorial regions, what is that? That means you know that equatorial region receives maximum of heat from sun. So it means they are the hottest part. Okay? That means the air around the equator that becomes hot, and the land becomes hot. First of all, the air around the equator part that becomes hot, and that rises up. When it becomes hot, it rises up. That means that region becomes heated up, and the warm air rises up, and creates an area of low pressure there. And what will happen? The cool air from the other region that will come and take their place. Okay, from higher latitude rushes towards the equator to fill that gap. That low pressure gap is filled by cool air. This results in the wind movement from tropical zone towards the equator. Similarly, wind movement is caused in other ways also. Other parts of the, मतलब पूरे part, अर्थ के पूरे part में what will happen? That means equatorial region से आपकी चलती हैं, tropical region से, and the warm air rises up and cool air takes the place of the cool air will fill that gap. Okay, in this way the movement of air takes place in equatorial region. Now if we'll talk about uneven heating of land and water, you have heard about sea breeze and land breeze. In chapter 4 we have discussed what are sea breeze and what are land breeze. Now sea breeze are what? That in coastal areas what will happen? The land warms up faster as compared to sea. Sea से ज़्यादा जल्दी land warm up हो जाते हैं. तो what will happen? When the land warm up faster, the air around them becomes warm up. और अगर वो जल्दी से warm up हो जाएगी, it will rises up and it will rush towards sea. And the cool air from the sea that will take the place on of that air to fill that gap only. What we have discussed. So that will create an area of again the low pressure on the ground, and hence the cool air will from the low pressure zone is filled by the cooler air. So that is on the surface of the sea, ocean surface you can say, and it will give rise to sea breeze. Now if we'll talk about land breeze again, we have already studied about land. During daytime, sea breeze takes place during the summer, you can say during day, and the land breeze takes place during night. What will happen? Now the land cools faster. अब जो आपकी लैंड है वो जल्दी से ठंडी हो जाती है, एंड वाटर जो है इन द ओशन दैट विल बी हॉटर पोर्शन. ठीक है, द वार्मर एयर फ्रॉम द ओशन. नाउ द वार्मर एयर फ्रॉम द ओशन दैट विल बी राइजेज अप, वो ऊपर की तरफ उठेगी, एंड द लो प्रेशर एरिया, एंड इट क्रिएट्स अ लो प्रेशर एरिया, and the hot air from the land that will take the place of warmer air. Okay, that will take the place of warmer air and hence fill the gaps. So that is why that will give rise to land breeze. Is it okay? Now we'll discuss about thunderstorm. What is thunderstorm? Thunderstorm basically develop in hot and humid tropical areas like in India. सबसे ज्यादा जिसे हम कहते हैं आंधी तूफान, आंधी तूफान कहते हैं, यानी जब आंधी तूफान आते हैं देन देयर विल बी लाइटनिंग, और बहुत ज्यादा तेज मतलब हवाएं चलती हैं. तो दैट विल मोस्टली डन इन इंडिया वेरी फ्रीक्वेंटली. आपने देखा होगा बहुत ज्यादा तेज आते हैं. मोस्टली ये आपके समर सीजन और विंटर, यू कैन से विंटर सीजन के बीच में होते हैं, और यू कैन से व्हेन देयर इज अ रेन, heavy rain, with the heavy rain. So that then thunderstorm takes place. Now how they caused? That means with the rising temperature produce strong upward rising winds. ठीक है, that means these winds carry water droplets, यानी यहाँ जब बड़े बड़े warm air जब बहुत ज्यादा तक ऊपर चली जाती है धीरे धीरे बिल्कुल, एंड एट अ पॉइंट एक पॉइंट ऐसा आता है जहां पर वो किसमें चेंज हो जाती है, इट विल चेंज इनटू वाटर वेपर्स, और वो वाटर वेपर कंडेंस होकर किस फॉर्म में चेंज हो जाते हैं, दे विल चेंज इनटू वाटर ड्रॉपलेट्स एज अ रेन. ठीक है, दे अपवर्ड्स वेयर दे फ्रीज एंड फॉल डाउन एज अ रेन. नाउ समटाइम्स व्हाट विल हैपन, द क्लाउड्स विल, बहुत सारे क्लाउड्स, when there will be more of water vapors, big portion of water vapors are there, they will collide with each other and produce lightning. So that is basically called as thunderstorm. यानी कि जिसमें लाइटनिंग भी होती है, एंड वी नो दैट हैवी रेनफॉल इज देयर एंड द थंडर, और यू कैन से बहुत मतलब गर्जने की आवाज जिसे कहते हैं, थंडर विल बी देयर and lightning will be there. These are three movement of falling water droplets along with the air creates lightning as well as sound. Okay, this causes in this way thunderstorm caused. Now precautions to be taken while needed to be taken when there is a thunderstorm. First precaution is that do not take shelter under a isolated tree. जब भी खाली ट्री हो, अकेला ट्री हो, डोंट टेक शेल्टर देयर. इफ यू वांट टू टेक शेल्टर अंडर, यू विल टेक शेल्टर अंडर अ स्मॉल ट्री. ठीक है. डू नॉट टेक शेल्टर अंडर अ अम्ब्रेला विद अ मेटल टिप, जिसकी मेटल टिप हो, बिकॉज लाइटनिंग डायरेक्टली रिएक्ट टू द मेटल टिप. That is why I am saying that do not sit near the window, do not sit in the on the sheds having metal roofs. Okay. Then we have a car or a bus is a safe place to take shelter. अगर आपको कहीं shelter लेना भी है तो you can take a shelter in a car or a bus. Third thing, if you are in water, then come out immediately if there is a lightning, because water is a good conductor of electricity. Okay, and it will cause shock. ठीक है, and go inside the building during lightning. Is it okay? So these are the precautions you have to take during thunderstorm.